Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with technical analysis for EURUSD currency pair. Evangelos Poulakis explains. The bulls faced yet another setback. Yesterday, they failed to update the pair's high, 1.0895, and moved beyond the weekly resistances, 1.0859 and 1.0871. As a result, EURUSD bounced downwards. To confirm and work on this today, it is necessary to overcome the influence of the main levels of the daily cross at 1.0848 and 1.0840 Tenkan plus Kinjun. After this, the next challenge will be intersecting with a solid support area, which includes several strong levels from higher timeframes within a narrow range, 1.0817 and 1.0792. On the lower timeframes, the bearish correction has led to a test of the weekly long-term trend, 1.0845. Breaking through this level could change the current balance of power. The next bearish target after the intraday break will be the classic pivot levels, 1.0844, 1.0832, and 1.0809. In case of a rebound of the weekly long-term trend, the focus will shift to recovering lost positions, and the market will concentrate on the resistance levels of the classic pivot points. Currently, these resistances are located at 1.0867, 0879, 0902 and 0914. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. Yesterday, the British pound tested the upper boundary of a 3-year descending price channel. If the price doesn't surpass yesterday's high in the next couple of days, the channel will be adjusted according to the new peak. The signal line of the Marlin oscillator on the daily time frame is inclined to reinforce the downward movement. If the price consolidates below the nearest support at 1.2745, it could quickly reach the MACD line around 1.2637. If the price surpasses yesterday's peak, and then the target level of 1.2826, the alternative scenario will have 1.2940 as the target. On the 4-hour chart, the signal line of the Marlin oscillator is preparing to transition into the negative territory. This is crucial for the price because without the oscillator's support, it will be difficult to overcome the level of 1.2745, which is already reinforced by the MACD line. We're waiting for the price to consolidate below the aforementioned support and move towards 1.2637. What about cross-currency pairs? For example, AUDJPY. Arif Makmur describes. On the 4-hour chart of the AUDJPY cross-currency pair, you can see the appearance of the bearish divergent bar, which is the first Weisman signal, which has angulation with the alligator oscillator, and is right in the position of the awesome oscillator, which has a green histogram accompanied by the appearance of the deviation pattern between the price movements and the awesome oscillator, which is one of the signs of a turning point from the previous bias direction. So that if in the near future AUDJPY manages to break below 104.42, then AUDJPY in the near future will have the potential to be corrected down to the level of the bullish fair value gap on 104.12, 104.01. But as long as the weakening correction does not broken below the level of 103.90, AUDJPY today still has the potential to strengthen again, to rise up to 104.50 level, and if this level is successfully broken above, the 104.83 will be the main target to be aimed at. And if the momentum and volatility also support, it's not impossible that the level of 105.05 will be the next target. That's all for today. See you next time.